Hello and welcome. Whether you're just starting to learn English or looking to improve your everyday speaking skills, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 100 essential daily English sentences that will help you communicate confidently in common situations, like greeting people, asking for help, shopping, making plans, and much more. So, you'll not only learn what to say, but also how to say it correctly. By practicing these sentences daily, you'll boost your fluency and start speaking English naturally. So, let's get started and make your English learning journey fun and effective. Greetings and introductions. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. Good morning, did you sleep well? 3. My name is Lily. What's your name? 4. Nice to meet you. 5. Where are you from? 6. Can you help me, please? 7. Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop? 8. How do I get to the supermarket? 9. Is it far from here? 10. Turn left at the traffic light. 11. How much does this cost? 12. Do you have this in a different size? 13. I would like a cup of coffee, please. 14. Can I pay by credit card? 15. Could I see the menu, please? 16. What are you doing this weekend? 17. Would you like to join me for dinner? 18. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. 19. I'm sorry, I'm busy on Friday. 20. See you later. 21. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 22. I go to work by bus. 23. I like to read books in the evening. 24. I cook dinner for my family. 25. I watch TV before bed. 26. I'm happy today. 27. I'm tired after work. 28. I'm excited about the trip. 29. I'm worried about the exam. 30. I feel sick. 31. What time is it? 32. Where do you live? 33. Do you like this song? 34. Can you speak English? 35. Why are you late? 36. Yes, I do. 37. No, thank you. 38. Maybe later. 39. I don't understand. 40. Please say that again. 41. It's sunny today. 42. It's raining outside. 43. It's very cold this morning. 44. Do you like snow? 45. The weather is nice today. 46. I need a doctor. 47. Call an ambulance. 48. I have a headache. 49. Where is the pharmacy? 50. I feel better now. 51. What time does the train leave? 52. I missed the bus. 53. Is there a taxi nearby? 54. How much is a ticket? 55. I want to go to the airport. 56. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. 57. I'm studying English. 58. Do you work here? 59. I need to finish my homework. 60. Can you help me with this project? 61. My phone isn't working. 62. Can you send me an email? 63. I forgot my password. 64. How do I use this app? 65. I need Wi-Fi to connect. 66. Do you want to hang out? 67. Let's go to the movies. 68. I enjoy meeting new people. 69. What kind of music do you like? 70. Do you have any hobbies? 71. I think this is great. 72. I prefer tea to coffee. 73. That movie was boring. 74. I love this song. 75. I don't like spicy food. 76. I need some water. 77. Can I have a glass of juice? 78. I want to learn English. 79. Please help me with my bags. 80. I'm looking for my keys. 81. I'm free in the afternoon. 82. Let's meet tomorrow. 83. I arrived late yesterday. 84. I'll call you next week. 85. It's already midnight. 86. Please, could you help me? 87. Thank you very much. 88. You're welcome. 89. Sorry for the inconvenience. 90. Excuse me, may I ask something? 91. I'm learning English every day. 92. This is my favorite book. 93. I enjoy traveling. 94. Can you recommend a good restaurant? 95. I'm looking forward to the holiday. 96. Can you speak slowly, please? 97. What does this word mean? 98. I'm sorry, I don't know. 99. Let's practice English together. 100. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and learning these 100 daily English sentences. Practice them regularly and you'll notice your confidence and speaking skills improve quickly. Remember, the key to mastering any language is consistency and enjoying the journey. If you found this helpful, don't forget to bookmark or save it for your daily review. Feel free to share it with friends who want to improve their English too. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, have fun with your English learning adventure. See you next time and have a wonderful day.